In 50 years, broiler production has transformed dramatically. Market weight has increased by 55%. Production time.
Welcome. Join us as we explore how broiler chicken is produced today inside this modern mega factory.
Inside the setter, fertilized broiler breeder eggs incubate at a precise 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 days. Infertile and dead-in-shell eggs are removed during candling to optimize incubation space and biosecurity.
By day 18, the broiler embryo is fully developed and positioned for hatching.
In the hatcher, temperature drops slightly to 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity rises to 70%. The hatcher opens to reveal thousands of newly hatched broiler chicks. A remarkable sight.
Careful with this batch, they are very active. 95, 96, almost full here.
Immediately after hatching, broiler chicks receive their first vaccinations, protecting them from Marek's disease and infectious bronchitis.
A subcutaneous vaccine injection provides additional protection against Newcastle disease and infectious bronchitis. Every chick is counted with automated optical sensors before transport, ensuring precise flock numbers for each broiler house. The Broiler Growout facility houses hundreds of thousands of birds simultaneously across climate-controlled houses. Day-old broiler chicks are gently placed into the pre-warmed brooder zone, and they're home for the next 6 weeks.
When chicks cluster directly under the brooder, it indicates the temperature is ideal. Spread out or panting chicks signal the need for adjustment.
The automated pan feeder system delivers Chick Starter Crumble, a nutrient-dense feed of corn,
Seeds and yields. The nipple drinker system delivers fresh, clean water at calibrated pressure, essential for broiler chick health and maintenance. Advanced environmental control systems monitor temperature, humidity, ammonia, and COCC levels continuously. Each day, brooder temperature is reduced by approximately 1 degree Fahrenheit as broiler chicks develop their own thermoregulation capability. By week 2, broiler chicks have doubled in size, their down replaced by white feathers, and their nutritional needs are rapidly increasing. At day 8, the feed transitions from high-protein starter crumble to broiler grower pellets, adjusted for rapid muscle development. Feed intake is recorded daily. Feed conversion ratio, or FCR, measures how efficiently broiler birds convert feed into body weight. Water acidification maintains optimal gut health in broiler birds. Citric acid is added to the drinker water.
Broiler house lighting programs, 18 hours of light at controlled intensity, stimulate feed and water consumption while allowing essential rest periods.
Litter quality is critical in broiler production. Caked, wet litter elevates ammonia levels and causes footpad dermatitis.
Ammonia levels above 10 ppm trigger ventilation adjustments, protecting broiler respiratory health and reducing stress on the growing flock. Evaporative cooling pads reduce incoming air temperature by up to 18 degrees Fahrenheit. In tunnel ventilation mode, evaporative cooling pads reduce incoming air temperature by up to 18 degrees Fahrenheit, critical for preventing heat stress in broiler flock.
Weekly weighing samples of 30 birds per house track growth performance against breed targets. The Ross 308 broiler
Farm management software tracks feed conversion ratio, the key efficiency metric showing how many kilograms of feed are required per kilogram of broiler weight gain.
The on-site feed mill produces customized broiler feed formulations, mixing corn, soybean meal, vitamins. Each broiler feed batch is precisely formulated. Corn provides energy. Soybean meal delivers protein. The ring die pellet press shapes mixed broiler grower feed into uniform 3-milled pellets. Steam conditioning improves cervix. After pelleting, broiler grower feed is cooled and screen setted. Fines are recycled back to the pellet press. Insurance. Finished broiler grower pellets are automatically transferred from the feed mill to each house's external feed silo, ensuring a conditions.
By week 4, broiler birds reach 1.5 kilograms, their white breast muscle developing rapidly.
In the finisher phase, feed energy increases while protein decreases, promoting efficient fat deposition in the Daily veterinary health inspections monitor broiler flock welfare, footpad scores, respiratory health. Daily mortality collection is a critical biosecurity task. Dead birds are removed immediately. Logged farm management software tracks feed conversion ratio, the key efficiency metric showing how many kilograms of feed are required per kilogram of broiler weight gain. All vehicles entering the broiler facility pass through the automatic disinfection arch, preventing the transport of external pathogens into the biosecurity zone.
By week 5, broiler birds consume nearly 185 grams of feed per day. With the automated feeding birds,
The automated feeding system delivers broiler finisher feed in programmed cycles, allowing brief feeder empty
feeds recycle. Probiotic additives, vitamins, and electrolytes delivered through the water system support gut health and reduce stress in hygiene.
In week 6, broiler birds approach their market target weight of 2.8 kilograms, completing the remarkable 8-hour feed withdrawal before catching ensures the gastrointestinal tract is clear, an essential food safety requirement without removing access to water.
Before catching, LED lighting is dimmed to 5 lux blue spectrum light, scientifically proven to reduce birds.
Modern automated catching machines gently sweep broiler birds onto elevator belts, reducing handling stress.
A little more to the right. Looks good, lock it in.
As the live haul truck departs with 25,000 market weight broiler birds, the facility immediately begins preparing for the next production cycle. The moment the last bird leaves, the cleanout process begins, removing spent litter, the first critical step in the all-pool. Spent broiler litter, rich in nitrogen and organic matter, is collected for composting and use as agricultural fertilizer. Spent broiler litter is composted at temperatures exceeding 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Thermophilic composting kills pathogens and after litter removal, industrial hot water pressure washing removes all organic debris from floors, walls, equipment. Hot water pressure washing at 185 degrees and 200 bar breaks down biofilms and organic matter on all equipment.
The contaminated wash water is collected in sealed drain systems and directed to the facility's wastewater treatment plant, preventing environmental contamination. After washing, all surfaces must dry completely before disinfection. Wet surfaces dilute.
Broad-spectrum disinfection with Virkon covers every surface in the broiler house, and the thermal fogger ensures the disinfects. A mandatory 14-day downtime period follows disinfection, allowing the disinfectant to fully work and the environment.
ATP bioluminescence testing verifies disinfection effectiveness, measuring organic residue at the molecules.
Fresh kiln-dried wood shavings with less than 14% moisture content form the foundation of the broiler litter system.
House #7 preheats for 24 hours before chick placement, brooder heaters, drinker lines, and innings. Before new chicks arrive, drinker lines are thoroughly flushed and sanitized. Water quality is verified for pH. Supplementary cardboard chick trays filled with starter crumble are placed directly on the litter under the brooder, ensuring even the youngest. All wastewater from pressure washing and processing is treated on site. Settlement, aeration, and biological reed bed filters.
Every batch of broiler feed undergoes near-infrared spectrometry analysis, verifying nutrient. Incoming corn is tested for mycotoxins, fungal toxins that can devastate broiler flock health.
Regular salmonella monitoring using boot sock sampling and real-time PCR analysis ensures the broiler production. The final batch performance report documents every key metric, from feed conversion ratio to European performance. The Precision Livestock Farming Control Room monitors all 12 broiler houses simultaneously, 24 hours a day. Ceiling-mounted sensor arrays in each broiler house continuously measure bird activity, air quality, dust levels, and thermal distribution.
All broiler facility workers undergo regular certified training in animal welfare, biosecurity protocols, and flock
nets. Regular QA audits cover all 47 critical control points, from environmental parameters and feed quality
license. The Broiler Mega Facility maintains RSPCA assured and global GAP certifications. Independence.
The Broiler Mega Facility operates as a complete, integrated system, from hatchery to growout, feed mill to
the complete broiler production cycle, from fertilized egg to market weight in just 41 days.
Vaccinations. From fertilized egg to market weight broiler, every stage of this remarkable production system is.
The automated egg turning system rocks fertilized broiler breeder eggs precisely every hour throughout the 18-day cycle.
Advanced in ovo sexing technology uses near-infrared laser spectroscopy to determine chick sex on day.
Probiotic additives based on Bacillus subtilis are incorporated into broiler feed and water, promoting beneficial gut.
The facility's reverse osmosis water purification system reduces total dissolved solids from 850. The Broiler Mega Facility holds multiple independent certifications: RSPCA assured, Global GAP.
The numbers behind broiler mega factory production are staggering. 10.4 million. The Broiler Mega Facility pursues circular economy principles. Composted litter fertilizes the surrounding farmland. Behind every technology, every sensor, and every automation system are the dedicated people of the Broiler Mega Facility. In 50 years, broiler production has transformed dramatically. Market weight has increased by 55%. Production time. Did you know? A broiler chick hatches exactly 21 days after fertilization. Setter temperature is critical to within.
And that's on 12 seconds. And that's how 86,400 fertile broiler breeder eggs become market weight broiler chickens.
What was the most surprising part of the broiler production process for you? Was it the 86,400 eggs in the setter? The 21-day hatch?
Thank you for watching. On Zero Cycle Process, we take you inside the world's most fascinating manufacturing and production facilities.
Zero Cycle Process is your destination for detailed, in-depth manufacturing and process videos.
If you enjoyed going inside this broiler chicken mega factory, subscribe to Zero Cycle Process. Hit the notification bell. Orange next.
Give us a thumbs up, share it with someone who'd love to see inside a real mega factory, and subscribe to Zero Cycle Process for our next factory deep dive. See you there.
Subscribe, watch our latest video, or jump straight into our recommended factory deep dive tour, all right here. Thank you for watching Zero Cycle Process.